I think I'm Pantera, Alice Cooper, Led Zeppelin, Hallelujah, Black Sabbath. Oh my God, rock stars getting money from the fucking sky. I'm pumping core, slinging down bags in Lincoln Park. Suicidal tendencies, I kill them after dark. I think I'm Kurt Cobain, bad brain, insane to the motherfucking membrane. I got some dirty South holes in my Dixie chicks. Young Alice in chains, she a freaky bitch. I get that pussy red.
Kush in the mountains, higher than you ever been. Pop the yellow wolf, mixing up the medicine. I heard your girl wanna kick it with a star. Couldn't take it to my crib, so I hid it in the car. She told me I'm the man, so I put it in the jar. And then I pop a bar and forget about them all. Fuck you and everybody else. All these voices in my head got me talking to myself.